Oh my god, Nikki.
Oh, then, ladies and gentlemen, years ago, a young woman wanted to... Oh, pictures! Pictures, everyone. Gather round for pictures. Gather round. Who wants to pose for a picture?
I'm actually recording.
Oh, you're actually recording. Oh, yeah, yes. So is that how it works? You just record?
Yeah, very nice.
Yes, well, I am Uncle Felix. Welcome to my hut. And I want to tell you a story of years ago when a young woman wandered through this forest alone. This was all we found. It is said the headless corpse still roams about, and hoping nothing followed you in. Yeah, right. Oh, yeah, but we mustn't scare the people when they